Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'll show you how to use Notebook LM in Gemini. Obviously, we shall come over here and open up our Gemini application. Quickly, we shall click on the new notebook, not a new chat, but new notebook. Go ahead and tap on the notebook, and then over here you see the introduction to this. Then we shall tap on Get Started. After that, you need to choose the project name or what project are you working on. Okay, so today the project we're working on is football. After typing in the project name of your notebook, go ahead and tap on this one. But before you tap on this arrow, choose, are you organizing an idea or just to study and learn? So quickly I'll just click on an idea and then I'll choose on this run button. And then you can see over here, our new notebook has been added. Now the next step is to come and add sources. Now in the sources, we're going to add where we want to get our information from. You can choose to upload files if you have files about your research. You can either choose to add them from the drive or even add a website. You can even choose to copy them. So for my case, I'll just come choose to add a website. Now from this case, you need to add the source of the website, the URL. Okay, so just click on this plus icon. Then come and search for the following on your Google. Research data websites free. The reason you put free is because some research data websites are paid for. So we shall open up this one, which is called Skip. And then we shall go ahead and open up their URL. Go ahead and copy it. Come back to Gemini. Go ahead and paste it. After that, click on Insert. Then once you click on Insert, we shall go ahead and close this. And then the research will start being worked upon. So basically that's it. You can see over here it even shows the source. So thanks for watching.